Hello.
Hello.
Am I speaking with Mr. Harish?
Yes, you are.
Well, how may I address you, sir?
You can call me Harish.
All right, Harish. My name is Monica and I am the community nurse at this center. If I'm not wrong, you have been referred by your doctor for some advice regarding lifestyle changes. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Well, in order to do that, I would like to ask you some questions about your lifestyle first. May I?
Yeah, sure.
All right, Harish. I understand from your notes that you smoke. Would you mind telling me how many cigarettes do you smoke in a day?
Well, I go through a packet for cigarette a day, but you see, my job as a lawyer is quite stressful. So it's basically a form of relaxation for me.
I see. Could you also tell me how much alcohol do you consume?
I think that would be a couple of beers every day after work. Again, as I've said, it's a form of relaxation for me.
I see. Well, what about exercise? Do you get any exercise in your routine?
Not really. I don't have much time after work.
All right, Harish. Thank you for answering my questions. Now, what you have told me so far is that owing to your hectic lifestyle, you are unable to find time to exercise and that you smoke a packet of cigarettes in a day and drink a couple of beers to deal with the stress from your job. Is that right, or would you like to add something to that?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Well, Harish, your GP is concerned about your health because your blood pressure lately has been quite high. It is imperative that we discuss some ways to stabilize your blood pressure by making some lifestyle changes. How does that sound for you?
Well, no, to be honest, I know I'm not at my healthiest right now, but with a job like mine, I think I can do that very easily. Can I now?
Well, I understand your perspective, Harish, and I appreciate you being aware of your current health. But I want to assure you that there are certainly some ways to achieve better health. For instance, alcohol can raise blood pressure by several points. So, if you try to limit your alcohol consumption, you would be seeing a significant change in your health. So, will you be willing to try that?
I guess I could.
Great. The second thing that can help you is incorporating a little bit of exercise in your daily routine. And I understand that you have a very hectic schedule, so what I would suggest is that you try waking up about 10 to 20 minutes early in the morning to go for a walk. Does that seem plausible for you?
I don't know, no. So I don't like waking up early.
I understand that you dislike the idea of waking up early in the morning, Harish, but I assure you that doing so will keep your blood pressure in the normal range. So, I would like you to give it a try. Would you be willing to do that?
I guess I can give it a chance.
Great. I'm glad to hear that, Harish. Lastly, smoking can lead to many health problems in addition to an increased blood pressure. Since you're smoking a packet of cigarettes a day, would you be willing to quit doing that?
Now, hold your horses, nurse. You do realize that smoking is the only thing that gets me through the days. I cannot quit smoking.
Well, while I appreciate what you're saying, Harish, there are definitely better ways to deal with your stress. You can try yoga and relaxation therapies if you'd like.
No, no, so I don't particularly want to stop smoking.
I understand your perspective, Harish. Dealing with a hectic schedule like yours can be overwhelming for sure. However, smoking is contributing highly to your current health problems. So, could you at least try to cut down on the number of cigarettes that you smoke in a day?
I guess I could give it a try.
That's great, Harish. I appreciate you taking steps to improve your health, and I understand it would be a bit difficult at first, but soon you'll get used to these changes. I assure you of that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Harish. Do you have any concerns at this stage that I can address for you?
No, nurse, you have been more than helpful. Thank you for your time.